Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the NVIDIA GPU error code 45 with the error show currently this hardware device is not connected to the computer with the error code 45. To fix this problem, reconnect this hardware device to the computer. The graphics card is one of the most important hardware components on your computer and is responsible for generating the image on your display. And the possible reasons for these problems are connections issues, incompatible drivers, corrupted system files, and hardware issues. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run the hardware and devices troubleshooters. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung CMD. And then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And then once na-open mo na tong administrator command prompt, and then kailangan lang natin i-enter tong command keyword na msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostic. So copy lang natin yan, and then next step ay ipipaste natin dito, gamitin mo yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+B, and then press mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo kaagad dito yung hardware and device. And next step ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung advance, and dapat naka-apply repairs automatically, naka-check tong box. And dito lang sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung next. And wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. Okay, and then next step, so select a device to troubleshoot. And then kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung audio driver. So click mo lang yan. And wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process again. Okay. So once okay na dito sa hardware na devices CMD, and then close lang natin yan. And other solution na pwede natin gawin is to restart NVIDIA service. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? All you have to do is to open up again on the search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung services, and then click mo lang dito yung open. And dito sa services at services local at dito sa right side, ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung NVIDIA service. So kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down, and then i-locate mo lang dito. So since wala dito yung ating NVIDIA service, so just in case, meron dito ay ang gagawin mo ay kailangan mo lang i-select, and then kailangan mo lang mag-double click, and dito lang sa kanyang general properties, and select mo lang dito yung automatic, and then dito sa running ay click mo lang tong stop, and wait natin. So click mo lang tong yes, and wait natin. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung start dito sa service status, and then i-click mo lang apply, and i-click mo lang dito yung okay. So after dito sa services, and other solution na pwede natin gawin is to update the device adapter and device manager. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to right click on the start menu, and select mo lang dito yung device manager. And once na-open mo na tong device manager, and then select mo lang dito yung display adapters. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then kailangan natin i-update tong graphics driver. So select and right click ka lang. And then i-click mo lang dito yung update driver. And then may dalawang option dito na search automatically for drivers, and then browse my computer. And then itap mo lang tong search automatically, and wait natin. Ayan, so makikita mo na dito no, the best drivers for your device are already installed. And then after dito, so close lang natin tong device manager. At dito lang sa start menu, and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix NVIDIA graphics card not detected with the error code 45. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.